Hello students. So now we are going to see this problem. So that is preparation of income and expenditure account and balance sheet when opening balance sheet is not given. See here, this is the question. See, if you compare this question with any other problems we have solved before, here the opening balance sheet is not given, right? So here we have only receipts and payment account and adjustments are given. So you need to prepare the opening balance sheet. It's very simple. First, as always, write the heading. How would you write the heading? In the question it is given here. That is Adult Literacy Organization as on March 31, 2018. As it is, copy and write in the heading here. Adult Literacy Organization opening balance sheet as on 1/4/2017. See, you need to prepare the opening balance sheet, right? Opening balance sheet as on 1/4. This date is very important. How 1/4 it is? Opening the year always starts with 1. 4 is April. Always a year, financial year starts with 1st April. That is the first year, 2017. Fine? Okay. Now, to prepare the opening balance sheet, you have to see the adjustments. See here they have told, see, April 1st. Organization owned furniture and books. So write it. What you're going to write? Write furniture, books. It is given, the value is already given in the questions here. This value 12,000 and 5,000, just as it is, copy and write. I'm writing here, see, that is 12,000 and 5,000 books. Fine? Yes. Next, cash or bank. Yes, that amount from where you will take the question. This is receipts, the balance brought down, two balance brought down, that is 19,550. Always remember this. Yes, that is the cash at bank, 550. Fine, that's it. Again, nothing you're going to take. Always you see the adjustments. Assets will be given. Opening assets that you have to write here. Cash at bank, this amount from where? That is this. Balance brought down. Then do the total. Add these three items. When you add these three items, you will get 36,550. Yes. So here there is nothing. So same thing you will write 36,550. Here you write carried balance, the balancing amount that you will call as capital fund. Fine. If you want bracket, you write balancing figure. Yes. Fine. So the opening balance sheet is done. Clear? What did I do? I have taken this assets. Then I have written this balance brought down, that is cash or bank. I have added it. Fine. Yes. Next, you need to do your usual procedure. That is, you have to prepare the income and expenditure. As usual, write this Adult Literacy Organization. Write the heading in income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. See, in the question they have given, you have to prepare 31st March 2018. Fine. Credit CR, debit DR. Expenditure amount rupees. Income amount rupees. So first you will write the expenditure. I have always told your students to write the expenditure. E column annu bariyalo, always see the payments. I'm repeating it once again. To write the expenditure, you will always see your payments. So first what it is there? By general expense. So general expense, any information is there here? Nothing. So as it is, copy and write. So what you will write? General expense. How much is the amounts here? 3,200. Just as it is, you write. Fine. So 3,200. Yes. Next one, what it says? That is newspapers. So by newspapers, it is 1,850. Newspapers, any information is there? No. So as it is, right? That is 1,850. Fine. Yes. Next one, what it is there? Electricity. 3,000. See, any information is there here? Electricity word is there? No. So as it is, you'll copy and write. Electricity, that is how much? 3,000. Correct. Yes. Next one, what it says? See, fixed deposit with bank. See, a fixed deposit, this we will see later. Always remember, fixed deposit, this interest will come in the income side. And this FD we will adjust in liability. Not here. Books is your liability. Yes, it won't come here. I'm sorry, books is your asset. Books is your asset. It will come in the balance sheet. Then what it is here? Salary. Salary you have to write here. It is a revenue item. So 3,600. See, Salary, I'm writing in inner column. Why? 3,600. Why I'm writing in the inner column? Because there is adjustments here. On March 31st, 2018, salary outstanding. Always this outstanding word, when it comes, you have to add in the adjustment. So add salary outstanding. What is the amount? That is 600. So add it, it will give you, please use your calculator. That is 4,200 if I'm not wrong. Yes, 4,200. Use your calculator. Fine. Next what it says, see, general expenses done, newspaper done, electricity done, salary done, rent 6,500. See, any adjustment is there? Rent, nothing. Adjustment andre ee word idea rent here? No. So directly rent amount you will write directly. What is the amount? Rent is, yes, 6,500. Correct, right? Yes. Next is what? Postage charges. See, any adjustment is there? Postage charges? No. Directly amount 300 you write. 300. Yes. Next, furniture. See, usually after you write, you will write the heading as depreciation. See, in the previous problem we have done. But here depreciation word is not given in the adjustment. So no depreciation is charged here. Depreciation is not charged for you. Okay. But you have to write here, remember, because here there is, so that is sale of old furniture. Remember, students, whenever you sell your assets, when you sell your assets, maybe a furniture or anything, when you sell, there has to be loss or profit, right? There should be profit or loss. So here we'll check out. See, sale of old furniture. It is sold for how much? 3,700. But value is book value. Book value was 5,000. Andre, cost of the furniture was 5,000, but it is sold for 3,700. Isn't it loss? See, value with 8,000, but sold for 3,700. Loss alla. Yes. So when it is loss, it will come in expenditure. If it was if it was profit, it will come in the income side. Just imagine here. Example, okay? Sale of old furniture. Here amount was 6,000. Ili 3,700 alla. It was 6,000. Avaga, it would be profit. Value with 5,000, but sold for 6,000. So 1,000 profit you would have written in the income side. But here this amount you are writing, see, value with 8,000, but you are selling it for 3,700. You are selling it for less. It is loss. So write loss of sale of old newspaper. In the bracket, if you want, you write book value was 5,000 minus 3,700. So when you minus, it will give you, please use your calculator. Yes, that is 1,300. Yes, 1,300. So your expenditure side is done. Remember, students, here depreciation, it did not come because here depreciation question alli kodlilla. Here but sale of old furniture, when it is sold, always remember there has to be profit or loss. If it is loss, you write in the expenditure side. If it is profit, you will write in the income side. Fine. Yes. Now we will write the income. Remember, to write the income, you will check your receipts. Income and bariyalo, you will see your receipts. So receipts, first one, what it is there? 19,005, that you are not taking. Next one is there, subscription. Subscription, see, 2 years are given. Yav togoltira, which one will you take? You will take 27,700. Why? You are doing for the year 18. See, answer you check, you are doing here for the year 18. So by subscription, which one you are going to take? Yes, that is 27,700. I am writing in the inner column. Why? Because there is adjustment. Subscription outstanding 31/3/2018. That is 1,500. Always outstanding word in adjustment alli idre, you are going to add it. That means you are going to receive the amount. Subscriptions you will get by the end of the year. That is the fees you will receive by the end of the year. So you are writing in the income side. When you add, you will get this 29,200. Fine. Yes. Next one, what it is there? See there, receipts and check madi. To sale of old newspapers. Sale of old newspaper. It is given receipt side. It's the income. Yes. So sale agide andre you will write here. That is amount will be 800. Next one, what it is told, government grant 12,000. Government grant is a revenue item. You will take care. ಈಗ in case government grant for building anta if they give, you will write in the liability side. Yes, government grant It is general, so you will write here in your income side 12,000. Fine. Yes. Now a very important thing, that is, see, sale of old furniture. It is done already. Adjust agide, here you have done, so forget it. So subscription is done, sale of old newspaper is done, government grant is done, sale of old furniture also you have adjusted here because it was loss. If it was profit, we would have written here. It was loss, so expenditure, kharchadu. Yes. Now next is interest received on FD. So you write how much is interest received, right? Interest received on FD. I'm writing in the inner column 900. Yes. But students, remember, here they have told, see, buy fixed deposit with bank 18,000 bracket alli 36 2017 at 10%. So on 36 andre June month ige you have received interest. Yes, June month alli you have received interest. So you have to calculate here. See how I'm doing. 18,000 into 10, they have told, no, 10%, 10 upon 100 into how many months? See, 36, 6 is June. So 30th of June, and June and you cannot include. June you forget. 30th, alla, end of the month. So June, alla, July. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. March is the end of the year. So 9 months. Yes, so I'm writing here 9 by 12. Is equal to, see, multiply and see. Once again I will tell what did I do. 18,000 into 10 upon 100 into 36 andre enu. 6 we cannot take because 6 is done. 30th andre month end adu. So 6 you have to ignore. So 6 andre June hoitu. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 9 months. So 9 by 12. When you multiply, it will give you, that is, in the calculator it will come 1350 minus 900 you will do. Minus this amount with 900 because 900 already receive agide. So it will give you 450. Yes, I'll tell once again what did you do, what I did. So 18,000 into 10 upon 100 into 9 by 12. Why 9 by 12? Months calculate madi, 6 ide. Yes, 9 by 12. It will give you 1350 in your calculator. Minus with 900 because this interest you have already received. So this is your outstanding. So total ಆಗ್ತದೆ, add ಮಾಡಿ 1350. Yes, please understand this. Now you make the total. Both the side total you do, you will get this 43,350. So here also you will get 43,350. So this side is more, your income is more. So this you minus with all this amount. Yes, amount idella add ಮಾಡಿ ಈ amount ಮೇಲೆ minus ಮಾಡಿ. Add all this minus with this. So that will give you, yes, 23,000. So this is your surplus. Fine. Here only thing, remember student, depreciation illa charge ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ because depreciation word is not given. Fine. But ಇದು ಒಂದು loss on sale of old newspaper, loss on sale of old furniture because book value is given. When they give the book value, minus ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. If it is loss, you will write this side. If it is profit, you would have written here. Yes, and interest received one, I will just explain once again. Interest received is 900. Already receive agade. Interest outstanding, how to calculate? This is 18,000 into 10 upon 100 into e months, 9 by 12. That will give you 1,350 minus 900. So this is the amount. Thank you.